Voice is cracking.
Yes, children. So, good morning, children. Today we will study about water of crystallization. What is water of crystallization? Yesterday in the topic washing soda also we have learned that fixed number of water molecules attached with a particular one formula unit of a salt. They are known as water of crystallization. But do they make the salts wet? Yes or no? Do they make salts wet or dry? Please tell.
I'm dry.
Do they make
Dry.
salts wet or dry? They make the salts dry only. Why? Because these water molecules go inside the formula of a particular salt. As you can see in the next slide, that if copper sulfate is there, then inside the water, the copper sulfate crystals, the gap is there, and in that gap, these water molecules go inside, right? So you can see here water of crystallization moves inside intermolecular spaces, right? Now there are different types of the water of types of salts. What are the different salts? We can see that different salts are there. For example, Glauber's salt, sodium sulfate, dot 10H2O. But if I ask you to write the formula of this in chemical name or IUPAC name, what will be the formula? Sodium sulfate. Yesterday also we have done this. We have done washing soda. So yes, sodium sulfate.
Sodium sulfate heptahydrate.
Decahydrate, beta, because it has 10 water molecules. Hepta is used for 7 water molecules. As same as in mass, we use heptagon, hexagon, pentagon. Same way here, 10 water molecules are there. So we will use decahydrate. So please write down, Subal, sodium sulfate, decahydrate. All of you please write down in your notebook. Sodium sulfate, decahydrate is the IUPAC name or the chemical name of this compound, right? Common name is Glauber's salt. What is Epsom salt? That is MgSO4 dot 7H2O. So what will be the chemical name? What will be the chemical name,
Magnesium,
beta?
magnesium sulfate heptahydrate.
Very good. The name will be magnesium sulfate heptahydrate. Why? Because 7 water molecules are there. As we can see, 7 water molecules are there. So we can write here magnesium sulfate heptahydrate. Please write down in your notebook as well. Now, what about washing soda? We have done it yesterday. Sodium
Sodium
carbonate.
carbonate, decahydrate.
Excellent. Sodium carbonate decahydrate because it has 10 water molecules, right? Similarly, we have plaster of Paris. Now, plaster of Paris is having formula CaSO4 dot half H2O. What we use in mass for half?
Hemi.
Hemi. Very good. Hemicircle है ना, hemisphere. We say ना hemisphere. तो यहाँ पर भी बेटा hemi word use करेंगे. That we will write here calcium sulfate hemihydrate. So please write down calcium sulfate hemihydrate. And the last compound is in this slide, that is calcium sulfate. 2 water molecules are there, so we will write dihydrate, right? Bi नहीं use करेंगे, di use करेंगे, that is calcium sulfate dihydrate for gypsum, and plaster of Paris will be calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Is it clear to everyone? I hope you all have noted. Yes, beta. Shall we move to the next slide? Yes. So the some salts are having colorful salts. There are some salts which are colorful. In Greek, these colorful salts are known as vitriol. Vitriol means colorful salt. These colorful salts are having water of crystallization. So there has been a given separately name, that is vitriol, right? So what are these vitriol? Let us study. We have blue vitriol. What is blue vitriol? CuSO4 dot 5H2O. What will be the name? Chemical name? Copper sulfate. Copper sulfate.
Pentahydrate.
Pentahydrate. Pentahydrate. Just like mass pentagon and a hexagon. Same way, we have green vitriol because it is green in color. You know, we have done in decomposition reaction also. What is this? What is the chemical name? Iron
Iron
sulfate or
sulfate
ferrous
heptahydrate.
ferrous sulfate, not iron sulfate. We will write ferrous sulfate, right? Ferrous sulfate heptahydrate, right? Iron is the common name, but IUPAC name is ferrous. Ferrous sulfate heptahydrate. Why? Because 7 water molecules are there. So please correct it, beta. Ferrous it should be, right? Now, zinc sulfate, white vitriol is there, which is white in color. So as the color is white, so we call it as white vitriol, right? What is the common IUPAC name? Zinc sulfate heptahydrate, right? Zinc sulfate heptahydrate, right? So this way, there are different types of the vitriol, right? Now, with the help of an activity, we can show that activity 2.15 that copper sulfate crystals, which are blue in color, when we heat them, they give out the water vapors. As you can see in the diagram, we have taken few grams of copper sulfate crystals in dry test tube and we started heating it. To your surprise, you will see that the water vapors are there at the edges of this test tube. That means this water of crystallization have come to the test tube because why do you think that copper sulfate has not given the water of crystallization or somewhere else it has given? What do you think? Is it from water of crystallization of copper sulfate or somewhere else? From where the water has come? Yes, from the crystals of copper sulfate only, these water crystals have come out. Why? Because the boiling point of copper sulfate is very high and boiling point of water is very low in comparison. So at 100 degrees Celsius, water start boiling and it forms in form of the water vapors and is collected at the edges of this test tube. Now, after some time, you will see that the crystals are turned into the absolutely white color, right? In the A diagram, you can see the copper sulfate crystals are turning into the white in color. But in the B diagram, we have done it reverse. What we have done to the test tube white color crystals, we have added few drops of water to it, and then they turn back to the blue in color. So this experiment shows that actually the crystals were blue in color due to the presence of water of crystallization, right? So in some cases, in some salts, these hydrated salts, these salts which are having water of crystallization, they are known as hydrated salt, and salts which are not having any water of crystallization, they are known as dry salt. So for example, here we can see that white salt, when we add few drops of it, it becomes a hydrated salt and the color is blue in color. And when we have taken this white color salt, after heating, it has turned to white in color. I hope this topic is clear to you. Yes or no?